Hi Capricorn, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of May 2021. This is a love reading, it's a general reading, it may not resonate with everyone, so take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. You've got the Ace of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Temperance card. Capricorn, you are beginning a new journey when it comes to following your passions and doing something that not only fulfills your doesn't only fulfill you emotionally, but also makes your bank account look beautiful. You know what I mean? And whatever you're working on will bring in balance into your life, whether it is with somebody or not, whether it's on your own, whether it's a business venture or turning your hobbies into your profession, anything and everything. You are qualifying as somebody who wants to pursue their dream. You are trying to work out ways to earn money passionately. You want to make a difference, and rest assured, Capricorn, it's going to work out for you. Whoever this person is that you're thinking about will bring in balance into your life. It could be a Sagittarius person that you're thinking about, could be a Scorpio person. But Capricorn, beware of endings, beware of third party situations, and beware of trusting too easily. Because I see there could be some shaky moments coming up in the future, and you may not be okay with those. Even though those moments are going to bring in balance, it's just that it may hurt you more than relieve you. And for some of you, if you've been through an ending where you were cheated on or let down by somebody, it did shake you up, but now balance is being restored into your life. The card at the bottom of the deck is the Wheel of Fortune. What goes around comes around, Capricorn. What goes up has to come down, and vice versa. If you've come out of a trying situation wherein you were emotionally downtrodden by somebody, then this is your time to rise. And if you've been getting a hint of something that is going to end, it probably is. So be mentally prepared for it, Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Messages for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. There is a lot of back and forth happening when it comes to stability into your life, in your life. And probably for some of you, there could be some kind of extramarital affair. Now, this is a general reading, so it may not resonate with each one of you. But I feel there is some kind of pressure, burden that is taking place into your life. This is regarding marriage, engagement, a relationship that was going to be turning into marriage, or something that will, make you feel really burdened. There is a younger person involved in your life. It could be your child, and probably it's their marriage that you're worried about, or their relationship, or you've been feeling that this child of yours is seeming to be burdened lately and you want to relieve them. But then the thing is that they have to go through something to grow through something, right, Capricorn? So don't intervene. Bless them, be there with them. If this is not your story, then just let it be. You don't need to feel bad about anything. But if this is your story, then you know what exactly to do. If you need any more answers, you could check out other placements. I keep posting a lot of readings, so please check them out. Messages for Capricorn. These could be your lover's energies as well. They are feeling burdened. They are feeling as if marriage or relationship is taking a toll on them, on their health. Yes, somebody feels that the other person, now it could be your partner, feeling that Capricorn, you are not giving in your 100% to this relationship. You're just taking, you may have come across as deceptive and secretive to your partner, which is making them feel burdened, or it could be vice versa. So if this is your case, then you should talk it out, basically. Messages for Capricorn. Okay, I feel trust issues are a part of your relationship. I think you are feeling a bit wary of trusting your partner. You feel there's something on between them and someone else, or it could be them feeling this way about you. So the card at the bottom of this deck says no need to worry. The angels want you to have complete faith in your love, in your relationship, and in yourself. Because Capricorn, if there is something that is amiss, you need to talk it out with your partner. Sometimes what meets the eye is barely the tip of the iceberg, and we base our conclusions on something which is so small, and there could be a bigger picture involved, and we are too quick to come to conclusions. So let's not do that. And if it's your partner doing this to you, try and talk things out with them. On. Bring love into the situation. A win-win outcome is forecast. Signs present here are Aquarius and Libra, and balance spirituality and practicality. A Pisces person could be involved. One last message for Capricorn. The more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. I just said there's no need to worry, Capricorn. Just have utmost faith in your dreams, in your love, in yourself, and things will start turning around. I hope you like this reading. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.